Hello, how is everyone doing today? I am back today to share. This is my March Hero Arts Kit, and I am just so behind in everything. Was a busy month, so I have not been able to play around with my kit at all. It's just been sitting on my desk collecting dust, and hopefully soon I will have some time to play with it and make some fun cards with it. But the first thing that came in the kit was this stamp set that's called Birthday Hugs and Kisses. And this is how this is the words, the sentiments that it came with. And hopefully I'll be able to use that soon. And this was an extra that I ordered. This was not part of my kit. And this is another add-on to, I wanted this fancy die, and this one is called Bold Graphic Confetti Die. It's got all these little pieces of confetti that will be cut out of your paper, but it's a beautiful background. And hope to have time for that one too. And this next stamp set that's also an add-on is called Hand-Drawn Everyday Messages. And I love to look how pretty the handwriting is, especially in this word hugs here. I mean, all of it is beautiful, but the hugs is so cute. So that one, and then now this is part of what came with the kit. It came with some pages, a couple of black ones, white, and cardstock color, brown paper bag color cardstock. So there's quite a bit of that in there. I don't know how many, I didn't count how many of each individually. But that came in that paper thing. And this is, well, here's a thank you card that they send you when you get your kit. And here are the stamps that came with this month's kit. A lot of words, lots and lots of words. And here in the back are the dies for that stamp set. And I hope to be able to bring these out and use them real soon. There's plenty of inspiration now since I'm so late in getting it opened. And this is the ribbon that came wrapped around it, and it doesn't go to waste. I use all of these items. And then there is a Hero Arts, and this is a white little ink pad in white. It looks like a snow white color, really, really bright white. And then there is some silver embossing powder, real pretty silver embossing powder. And there are some sequins, and they are in all kinds of different little snowflakes and stars and gray stars, just real pretty. And that was all. That was part of the kit for this month. And I don't think there's anything else that I took out that I have not of the box. This is all that was in here. And I've seen lots of beautiful cards made with this kit. March has been such a crazy month. February was too, but March got even crazier on me. I just have not had time to sit at my desk. A lot of my items are collecting dust. I still have been writing letters and sending out letters, but I have not been making any tuck-ins to add to my letters. I have some cards that I have made from previous that I have not had a chance to share yet, and I will be sharing those with you all here shortly. But anyhow, that is all that I have for this video, and I will be back at a later time to share some more, and I will see you then. Bye now.